Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Start, type Windows Security, and press Enter to open the app. The main Security at a Glance page displays status tiles for core protections. Click each tile to view details for firewall, app and browser control, and device security. Click Virus and Threat Protection to review Defender and cloud-delivered protection and scan history. Scroll to Ransomware Protection and configure controlled folder access if you need stricter file protection. Turn on Tamper Protection in Virus and Threat Protection settings for extra safety. Enable cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission for faster threat detection. Open Firewall and Network Protection and set Firewall to block incoming connections by default. Allow only authorized apps through the firewall using the Allow an App feature. Set app and browser control to warn or block for unrecognized apps and downloads from the web. Enable controlled folder access under ransomware protection and add trusted folders to protect critical files. Use the Allow an App through controlled folder access option for exceptions. Keep Windows updated automatically and check for updates at least once weekly. Open Settings, Update and Security, and click Windows Update to verify installation status. Enable BitLocker on system drives and store recovery keys in your Microsoft account for recovery. Configure device security features like Secure Boot and TPM management under Device Security. Run Microsoft Defender offline scan and schedule periodic full scans for deep threat removal. Review Security at a Glance monthly and adjust.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.